Hello, my name is Julio, and I'm the owner of Bookkeeping. I specialize in e-commerce bookkeeping for Shopify stores. I help Shopify merchants ease the stress and complexities of e-commerce bookkeeping. In this video, I will be talking about A2X, what it is, how it works, how it helps e-commerce bookkeeping, and why you should use it for Shopify bookkeeping. What is A2X? Let's begin with what it is. A2X is a connector app. It integrates with QuickBooks to bring in summarized daily totals. It's important to note that A2X won't bring in detailed transactions. That can overwhelm QuickBooks with data and make it much slower. A2X helps because it posts transactions into QuickBooks automatically. Even though A2X automates tasks, it is not a bookkeeping replacement. There's still reconciliations to be done and discrepancies to keep on top of. We can connect A2X to Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, etc., whichever platform you use to sell. And what A2X will do is bring in data from those platforms into QuickBooks. Again, this will be summarized daily totals. No details are needed in QuickBooks. This can be automated as long as everything is mapped correctly. A2X will bring in transactions into QuickBooks. To map A2X correctly, we first have to make a list of all the platforms where we sell and all the payment processors we use. This is important to keep the books organized and have crucial data about how sales are doing in each platform. How does it help Shopify bookkeeping? A2X helps Shopify bookkeeping by automating part of the process, not replacing bookkeeping, but helping bring in important data from your selling platforms into QuickBooks. A2X helps because it tracks sales by payment processor. So when you are setting up A2X, it's important to map payment gateways transactions for QuickBooks account categories. For example, if you sell with Shopify Payments, Affirm, or PayPal, each payment gateway should be mapped to its own QuickBooks account category. So in QuickBooks, we have to have a custom chart of accounts. This is essentially telling A2X where to send the transactions. If A2X has a summarized transaction for PayPal, we have to tell it to put it in the QuickBooks PayPal clearing account. You can think of QuickBooks as a receiver of data. You connect different apps to QuickBooks, such as A2X for e-commerce, Gusta for payroll, Melio for AP, document management apps, etc. Why use A2X? To summarize, we should use A2X because even though it won't replace bookkeeping, it automates part of the process. A2X will bring in data from your selling platforms into QuickBooks. It tracks sales by payment processor. We can map A2X and tell it what account in QuickBooks to send transactions to. It brings in daily summarized transactions, avoiding data dumps in QuickBooks. It also has advanced features like cost of goods sold and classes. Now, QuickBooks also has QuickBooks Commerce. I don't suggest using this yet because there are some areas in which QuickBooks Commerce is a bit behind A2X. QuickBooks Commerce, like A2X, will bring in summarized transactions and fees are deducted, so it's easy and seamless to match in the banking section. The negative about QuickBooks Commerce is that it only serves Shopify payments. So if you sell in other platforms, unfortunately, QuickBooks Commerce won't be useful. A2X, on the other hand, can integrate with various selling platforms and has great support team. So for those reasons, if you sell on multiple platforms, A2X is a better option. I hope this video was helpful and gave you better information about A2X and how it helps with Shopify bookkeeping. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if you need further help with your Shopify bookkeeping, click the link below for a discovery call and we can chat and discuss about how I can help. My name is Julio with Bookkeeping and I'll see you in the next video.